Hello, this is Amy Moore, and this starts the first part of our series, Ad Hoc Requests, and the topic is generating the same stats for subgroups. So, a brief overview. We're going to discuss ad hoc requests briefly, and then I'll give you an example, a scenario with a solution, and that will end the talk. So, suppose someone comes to you and says, okay, could you please give me a analysis, a descriptive of a particular parameter, but could you split it by the different levels within that parameter? Now, they're not going to say it that way. What they're probably going to say is, okay, could you run the descriptives or the analysis for each individual subgroup? I mean, you get the point. Basically, in your mind, you're going to translate that to mean that I need to split the data by a particular parameter. And so how you split the data in SPSS is very convenient, because once you flip that switch on to split the data, you could just go ahead and do the analysis that you need to do without going back and generating the same output but for a different subgroup. Okay? So for example, say you had cancer data and you were looking at a variable that has 3 levels like progesterone, and then you're asked to run the descriptives on survival time by progesterone. Okay? So, first thing you're going to do is go to Data, Split View. Then you'll go to put your grouping variable in, it's progesterone. And then you can go ahead and go to Analyze and run your descriptives. Okay, and what will happen, this slide is just showing you what the progesterone levels are. So there's 3 levels. You have about roughly 300 to 400 in each group. All right, and so you're expecting that many in each group when you do the subgroup analysis. And so now you have survival time, descriptives, and SPSS will automatically remember, hey, you split the data by this variable. Okay, so you just have to remember to turn that split feature off when you go to do other analysis. Here's another thing you could do is run a graph, generate a graph, okay, and split it by the variable. So once that splitting feature is on, it will work for any analysis that you run. And I just want you to notice that, okay, for each graph here, you have a different level of progesterone that's being illustrated in terms of survival time. This concludes our short ad hoc series, Lecture 1. Please visit morestat.com to subscribe for future talks. And thank you for your time and attention.